this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing this cute birthday card. It could also be a congratulations card. It just says you're awesome on the front. You can put whatever sentiment you want on the inside, but I thought this would be a perfect teen card or a young man's card, and it's really quick and easy. So it's so amazing because this stamp set and this designer series paper are both free during Sale-a-bration. So the stamp set, which I got because of my grandson, he really likes guitar, and he's, you know, they're into the Converse, and he, you know, the headsets, of course, but I thought this would be perfect for a card for him. And it says you're awesome, and the other one says here's to an epic celebration, so it'd be a cute birthday card, but it's called Epic Celebrations, this stamp set, and it is free with a $50 purchase. It's super cute. And you know, it's hard to make boy cards or men cards, and this could go perfect for, you know, a young man. But anyway, this designer series paper is also a free choice in Sale-a-bration. It's the Bubble and Fizz, and I've showed you this paper before. I've used it for different projects. I told you I loved it to death. And so that is why, as soon as I saw the stars, I thought it would make a really cute boys card. So this is the paper. It's super cute. I've already used several of these, and I'm hoping to get another pack before it goes away, because March is the last month for Sale-a-bration. So if you haven't got your Sale-a-bration order in, you need to do that because it's awesome. There's so many, and they did add some new Sale-a-bration items, like I said in another video. So you can check it all out on my blog at stampinwithamore.com. But I am using the Stampin' Blends to color in the little Converse shoes. That's what they remind me of. And my son even wore those, and now my grandson's wearing them. So I think they're really cute. Anyway, this is the card I'm sharing, so let's get started. It really goes pretty quick and easy. You'll need your basic 5.5 by 4 1/4 Whisper White, and this is the thick. You know, I always use the thick for the card bases. It's amazing for that. So I said I'm using the Bubble and Fizz. This is 4 by 5 1/4 for the matting. And then I am, again, because I'm really getting into this glimmer paper, I'm using this time the Bermuda Bay glimmer paper. And this is the Myths and Magic glimmer paper. If you've seen the last few videos that I did, the boxes, I've used this glimmer paper on them. And I'm also using a 2.5 inch circle punch and the 2 1/4 inch circle punch. And I think that's it. The only other piece is the piece that I'm stamping the sentiment on, and this one is 4 by 3/4 inches. So let's get started. We are going to, you need a scrap also for the shoes. I'm going to grab this piece. I forgot to get a piece out. So here's my piece of Whisper White. And I'm going to stamp the tennis shoes. And if you're using the blends, it's recommended to use the Tuxedo Black Memento ink for it. I do, if it's a small image, like on the little image I did on my bunny box on Sunday, you can use, I used chocolate chip and I colored it in, and it worked perfectly. So if this image is small, you could probably get away with it. So we're going to stamp this image there, and we are going to color it in with the Bermuda Bay, since that's the colors that we're doing today. So I used the dark Bermuda Bay last time. I'm going to use the light to outline it this time because it's still a little bit darker, and I'm going to color it in with Pool Party, only so it makes them a little bit lighter. So I'm just kind of outlining it. You don't have to get fancy with this. These alcohol markers are real forgiving, and they're really just fun to use. So you're going to color these all in. going to color inside the laces the darker color, because normally it looks darker over there. Alright, and then we're going to color it in this time with the pool party. And you can just, I usually color in circles if I want it to blend. This is very quick coloring. You don't have to get fancy. If you want to, you also can get fancy with shading and all that. I'm actually learning a little bit about that. I haven't had time to really get into it much, but I'm starting to read things on how to do some shading and stuff. Alright, so we're going to do those like that. You can just keep going over if you want. Like, I like to sometimes make sure they're blended really good. And then we're going to do that. And we are going to use the, let's see, this is the dark smoky slate. And I'm going to use that for the rubber part in the front here. Again, you can use the light smoky slate and shade it, but we're just quick coloring here. And we're leaving the laces white. Alright, so we'll scoot these out of the way, and I'm going to use my 1 1/4 inch circle punch, and we're going to punch these out. And then with the 1 1/2, I'm going to punch out from my Bermuda Bay glimmer paper here. It really, the glimmer paper gives it that more teen look, I think. So we're going to attach it with fast fuse to the center here. Isn't that cute? These little Converse are adorable. We're going to add our Designer Series paper here with some snail. You can use snail, fast fuse. If I use snail, I use a lot because I don't want it to come apart. Center that. We're going to stamp our sentiment with the Memento Black. See if I can get this centered. Before I cut it, I stamped it before I cut it, and the writing's really cool on this. I really like it. Alright, so we're going to put this down. Right here. And then I'm adding fast fuse on here. We're going to put it right next to it. I'm going to use one of my enamel shapes in the Bermuda Bay, and of course I'm going to use the star because this paper has stars on it. And I'm just going to put that right there. And look how quick and easy that is. Look how cute. Super quick and easy. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. Have a blessed day, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.